Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a complete recipe for a delicious fried rice. Guys, you also know that you can be preparing your fried rice while you are doing the cutting of the vegetable at the same time. Please subscribe, like the video, share. Let's get started. So this is the soft chicken I'm going to be using, and some turkey also. Make yourself comfortable. So it's already washed. I will transfer it to my pot. So these onions, scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm going to be adding curry to season it. This is a seasoning powder. This is a ginger, ajo, garlic, thyme, nutmeg, salt, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and bay leaf. So I'll take my time and really mix it very well. So I'm going to cook it for about 8 to 7 minutes without water. I will allow it to simmer. After 8 to 7 minutes, I will stir it. I will add some water. So I will allow it to cook for other 15 minutes again. So I corrected it with a little bit more salt. So guys, it's ready. So this is a kidney I'm going to be using. So you can still use your gizzard or liver, anyone that is available for you. Take straight to the pot. I will also season it a little bit. I will add onions, ginger, some salt, thyme, seasoning powder, and a nutmeg. Okay, I also add a bay leaf to it. I will give it a good mix. A drop of water. So I will add a little seasoning powder to my chicken before frying. It give it some nice taste. Make it tasteful. So this is the green beans. So I will go ahead and slice it. So here is the spring onions. I will also go ahead and slice it. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please be a part of this humble family by subscribing, turn the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video, and we'll be uploading soon again. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are really wonderful, amazing. From the bottom of my heart, may God bless you all, grant you your need, your desire, in Jesus' name. I hope you are still watching. Please don't wait to finish this video before you start sharing. I believe this video will help someone close to you, and it will be helpful to someone around you. Guys, can you see it's very possible while you are cooking your fried rice, you are also cutting your vegetable. No need of starting for finishing your vegetable before starting. But if this one will be a challenge, you can finish cutting it before you can start as well. Please remember to check the description box. Everything that I'm going to be using will be right there for you. So I take a boiling water straight to the bowl of rice, and I will leave it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I will drain the water off. So this is the stock that I got from the chicken. So this stock goes a long way for our fried rice, guys. So I'll take it straight to the pot. Add some water, a little nutmeg, so if you don't have this olive, guys, you can use any vegetable that is available for you. This is one seasoning cube. I will allow it to boil. Thereafter, I'll take my rice straight to the same boiling. So I will taste, and there is a need for salt. I added a little. So guys, when you are cooking this, just cook it like you are cooking your normal white rice. So the next thing, guys, I will start to fry my veggies. After a little while, I will add my green beans. After about 7 minutes, I will now add my onions and spring onions. Yes, I don't like to start with onions so that it will not get burned. So at this point, I will add my butters to it. I'll just keep stirring. So these carrots, green beans. I'm using 2 types of green beans. So after adding my sweet corn, it's almost ready. I will season it a little bit with a seasoning cube, a little bit of salt. I will stir it. Then the next thing I will add my rice. I will not allow the vegetable to overcook so that it will still be crunchy. Guys, if this the pot you are using is smaller than this, you can repeat this process. Can you see how colorful it is? Wow. Please don't fail to share the video, don't fail to like, leave your comment below, ask a question if there is any, share the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon again, another satisfying video. Bye.